In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Hey guys, it's a nasty day today. It's actually raining as I speak. Yes, so I'm basically on my way to pick up my mom from work. Just walk into the car. Oh man. Still gotta wait for my sister to come downstairs because they want to come with me. Man, it's beautiful to me. I love it, to tell you guys. I love it when it rains, especially when I'm home. The AC's blowing real cold and nice. I got my blanket and everything, you know, so it's a awesome time to watch a movie, and it's an awful time to be on the road actually. Let me start up this engine. Yeah, so it's a good time to be home, relaxing, watching a movie, whatever, enjoying your life when it rains like this. I love it. But I hate it when I basically gotta drive or be on the road, because a lot of people here in Florida cannot drive in the rain. Instead of they take their time, and it's raining harder too. Let me pop my sunroof, show you guys. You guys can see it, how hard it's raining. You guys could hear it. Yeah, so as I was saying, yes, a lot of people don't know how to drive in the rain. Like, instead of they take their time, they be speeding, and majority of the time their tire is no good. And even though your tire is good, you got more traction, the road is like really slippery because the road is wet. The road is smooth and it's wet. So no matter what you're going to do, if you step on the brakes hard while you're going fast, you could slide. The vehicle is going to slide and it's going to get out of control. But yeah, that's just down here in South Florida. South Florida for you guys. A lot of people down here cannot drive here in the rain at all. So there you go. My sister just came inside the car, and this is I just hate driving in the rain. I'd rather be home relaxing, watching a movie. Can you turn that down please, because I'm recording. So guys, here we go, taking off. It's a rainy day. And also one more thing, when it rains here in Florida, a lot of places get flooded out, like the roads, especially the roads. Turn on my AC, turn it on 1. I know you guys could hear it. Appreciate you guys coming, rocking with me on my channel, showing love and support. You know, I didn't even upload no video yesterday. I was kind of busy yesterday, so I didn't upload nothing. But it's raining really heavy over here. Real heavy. Oh, this went over that bump. Get some of the houses, coconut tree. Get all that. See that? Hope you guys enjoy y'all Monday. If you had to go to work, you know, take care of what you got to take care of. Go to work safely. Go back home safely to your family. You know, have a safe, blessed day. And for the ones that's off, just relax at home and, you know, watch a movie, lay back, sit back, or get some rest, get some sleep, you know, because our body really need it. Yeah, but today it seems like it's gonna be raining all day today here in Florida. And I don't know if I'm gonna do any deliveries today. I have a schedule today too, from like 5 o'clock to like 9 or something. But it don't look like I'm gonna be delivering no food today because this rain looks nasty. People don't know how to drive in the rain. So this is that weather that you're supposed to be just home underneath the blanket and just relaxing, real relaxing, enjoying yourself, sleeping, hearing all the rain just hitting on the window. Yeah. Man, I can't wait to come back home, to go back home. That green building over there is basically a car wash building. Called it's actually this place right here. It's called like Green Light. Yeah, Green Light. That's the name of it. Yeah, it's like free vacuum, and you just gotta pay to wash your car. But the vacuums over there is free, and not only because they're free, they're very powerful too. They're not like one of those weak vacuum that you gotta be there for hours. Like, it actually pulls. The vacuum is very strong. Some good strong vacuums they have. I usually go there to clean my vehicle and everything, you know, vacuum my car and get me a good wash. As you guys can see, today is not no good day to wash your car because it's raining. Yeah, but it's been raining since this morning. Who the hell is that? At least they ask. The majority of the time, people are just cut in front of me. They actually asked me if they could go in front of me. I was like, yeah. Hope you guys enjoying this video. You know, riding around with me in the rain, going to pick up my mom from work. It's gonna be this whole day is gonna be a rainy day. It's been raining since this morning. Alright guys, I don't want to hold you guys up. I don't want to stretch out this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a rainy day today here in Florida. South Florida, that is. I don't know about North Florida. I don't know about Orlando or further up. I only know about from Fort Lauderdale to Miami. Like real talk. I only know about this side. I don't know about the other side. But this is a serious piece of rain. Because the wind be blowing with it. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace until I upload another one. Why this person is slowing down? What was that? See the type of thing that I'm talking about? They just turn just like that and they're in the wrong lane. It was not even in the turning lane. But yeah, peace, and I'm out of here, guys. Bye bye. Look at this fool.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the